Hello student, this is our first lecture. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to start the first poem. Okay, this poem is very beautiful, expressing a good message of life, that is uh, positiveness and be the best. Be the best means if you are working in any sector of life, you must be the best or at the top level. That this concept expresses beautifully with the help of nature, so we can understand the concept, that is be positive and work hard and be the best. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be means here, if you the pine, if you can't be a pine is a tree which is situated at on the top of the mountain, on the top of the hill in snowy region. Okay, that is the tallest tree in that area, pine. Okay. Be a scrub in the valley, but be scrub. The scrub means, write down, an area covered with a small or lower plant, crawling plant. Okay. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, if you are not get any success in your life, and you are not become so famous, you not become rich, but you must become a good person. Okay, this message convey through these lines. The best little scrub by the best of rill. Rill, there are many streams. Okay, you must be a scrub, a small scrub, a small crawling plant near the stream. Near the stream. Rill means stream. Okay. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. So, if you not become a tree, be a bush. In this first stanza, the poet try to say that if you not get a great success, if you not achieve a great success, but be a honest, be a good person in your life. Okay, so other persons can give you a respect. Second, in the second stanza, if you can't be a bush, be a bit of grass. Okay. If you not be a bush also, be a bit of grass. And some highway happier make. Here is comparative degree happier. Okay, happy, happier, happiest. Okay. if you not make, uh, if you can't be a bush, means after you can't get a great success, you remain honest. If this grass make a happier to someone, if you are musky, then just be a bass. Musky bass is the name of fishes. Okay, so if you do not, if you can't be a bass, be musky. But the liveliest bass in the lake. Okay, liveliest bass, a good fish in the lake. We can't all be captains. We have got to be a crew on the ship. All the persons can't be a captain. There is a single person who can be a captain, and all members on the ships are crew. Means if you not become a great leader, you must be follower, a good follower of for a good reason. Okay, you have to adjust with your life. Life is an adjustment. If you can't adjust with your life, you will be destroyed. There's something for all of us here. For every person, there is something in this life. There's a big work to do. There are some work which is essential or a make for that person only. There's a leisure to do. A person can make a good and great works, but he can do a small works also. Means when Prabhu Ramchandra wants to go Lanka, the Vanaras throw a big rock to make a bridge between on that sea. At that time, a small squirrel also do some work to make that bridge. So every person has some work. Some has a big works, some has a less works. Some has a big task, some has a less task. Some has a great achievement, some has a less achievement. And the task you must do is the near. So every person has to do a great job in his sector. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Life has many aspects. Some persons get a great success, great money, great wealth, and some do not. So, trail Trail means a narrow path which goes to the field. Highway on the highway is the road on the big vans are going with a great speed. So highway has a different view and trails has a different view. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. Sun, it is the nearest star. From that sun we get energy. There are many stars in the sky, but we not get energy from that star. In the life you not get a great success. Be positive. Live your life positive with positive attitude. Okay? It isn't by size that you win or you fail. आपल्याला असं म्हणतात की आयुष्य हे लांब नसावं, ते छोटंसं असावं, पण सुंदर असावं, चांगलं असावं, सक्सेसफुल असावं. If isn't by a size that you win or you fail, be the best of whatever you are, in which any section of life, any part of life. If you are interested in that part, you must get a great success. Okay? This message conveyed by the poet through this poem. This poem is very beautiful. Okay? Here are some words which are strange to us. We know pine and hill, but we don't know a scrub. Shrub means a small bush, small trees, and scrub, the area covered by this type of a small bushes. Okay? Write down this meaning. Scrub means an area covered with a small lower plant, that is the crawling plants. Rill, the best little scrub by the side of the rill. A crawling plants near the rill. Rill means a stream, a small river, beautiful river. It is great beautifulness due to that scrub which is on the bank of rill, stream. Okay? Be a bush if you can't be a tree. Bush, a small group of trees. Okay? Small trees. Be positive. Remain positive in a life. The message conveyed by the poet is be positive. Remain positive in your life. Don't get upset. Okay? So, this is a beautiful poem. This is a beautiful poem by the poet Douglas Malloch. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be a sun, be a star. If it isn't by size, the peoples know to the persons, not by the life how long he live a life, but peoples know a person what success, what great works he done in his short life. We know Swami Vivekananda, he does not live long, but have a great success in his life. We know Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, he also do not live very long period, but he does a great work in his life of Hindvi Swaraj. So this message convey by the poet that your life must be beautiful, the act must be a beautiful, the attitude must be a positive in your life. So this poem is very beautiful poem. Okay, it convey a great message of life and great truth of life, that you must you work in any section of life, be the best, be the best, be the best. Okay, so students, here we complete this poem. If you find difficulty, write down the meaning of that strange word. Okay, the first word is scrub. Scrub means an area covered with a small or lower plant. Okay, a crawling plants. Rill, R-I-L-L, rill. Rill means a stream, small river. Okay. Then musky is a name of a fish. Bass, a name of a fish. Here we have the liveliest word, liveliest in a comparative degree. It is the comparative degree. It is the superlative degree. This word is the superlative degree, has a superlative degree. Okay, liveliest means the best of best. Okay, bass, in the lake, best of best fish in the lake. Okay, we can't be a captain, so crew means a group of a person, sailors on the ship. Okay, and here we have, there is a big works to do and there's lesser to do. Some has a big responsibility and some doesn't have any responsibility, that much level responsibility. Okay, so the Prime Minister has a different responsibility, while the clerk has a different. Okay, it is a leisure. Okay, leisure. Leisure means unimportant work to do. The task you must do is the near. Next is the trail, T-R-A-I-L, trail. Trail means narrow path. A path going to the field is a narrow path. Okay, a path going to the field means a narrow. It is not a broad road for the vehicles, but it is a narrow road for the field. Okay, it isn't size that you win or you fail. Okay, if you do not achieve a great success in your life, longest life, be the best whatever you are. Now, what you are, be clerk, a small employee or anything in your life, be the best, be honest. Okay, this message conveyed by the poem in this poem. This message is very beautiful. Okay, be positive, be positive, be positive, and be the best, be the best. Okay.